So what's going on, guys? It's Mighty in Christ. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a very quick tutorial on how to add clickable links to your YouTube outro, or just in general to your YouTube video in 2018. This tutorial will be straight to the point, no funny business. But before I get started, I just want to show you guys what I mean, because I'm a visual learner. So I just want to show you guys just how it will turn out. So this is a video I just uploaded the other day, and this is my YouTube outro, and here's the clickable video I'm talking about, video box. So as I'm moving the mouse, you guys see that it highlights, meaning that if I click on this, it'll go to that video. And if I'm a new visitor and I'm just checking out your content and I like it, I can just click this box here to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. All right, so the first step you want to do is upload the video in which you want to display these clickable links on. Once you do that, it should display here. If you don't know how to get here, you just click on Video Manager, Videos, and that video should populate right here. From here, we want to click the Edit button. And once we're on the next screen, we want to hit End Screen and Annotations. And from here, we're just about done. So the second thing is you want to figure out at what point in the video you want the video box to display and the subscribe button. It doesn't matter if you do it in the beginning, the middle, or the end. My outro displays at the end, so it's at 3 minutes and 44 seconds, in which that's the time I want it to display at. So figure out the time right now and write that down, because you will need to reference that later. So once you figure that out, you want to click on Use Template. But actually, let me just delete this so I can show you guys how to set it up. All right, now let's click on Use Template. And YouTube has quite a few different templates. It doesn't really matter which one you use, because you can edit it, and I'll show you guys what I mean. But just for the sake of my template, I'm just going to use this one right here. And as you guys can see, the box populates and the subscribe button. So this is why I wanted you to write down that point in the video, because you gotta adjust these bars here to the point in which you want to display these boxes. So again, I said 3 minutes and 44 seconds. So let me move this one down, 3 minutes, 44 seconds. And I'm gonna pause that real quick. This one down, 3 minutes, 44 seconds. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, everything is, this is my outro now, and it's pretty straightforward. You just gotta line up the boxes if you have an outro. So I'm just gonna line up the subscribe button. That looks good. And this is the video in which I want to display at the end. So bam, there you go. From here, you can click on the subscribe button, the pencil. You don't really need to edit the element. The only thing you could do with that is delete it. But for the video box, you want to click it, the pencil, and edit element. And once you click that, you can pretty much figure out what video you want to display at the end or in your video. You can include your most recent upload. You can allow YouTube to select a video from your channel that best suits the viewer. That's interesting. I wonder how they figure that out. Or you can just choose one of your best gameplays or one of your best videos that you want your subscribers to see. For me, I just want my most recent upload. So I click that button, let's save it. And before we do anything else, we just want to preview it, but we're done. We're done at this point. But let's preview it just to make sure it is exactly how we want it before we save the changes. So let's click the preview button, and bam, there you go. Let me pause it real quick. My subscribe button is a little bit off center. I can adjust that, but there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the commentary and the tutorial. Leave your thoughts down below, and as always, you guys take care. God bless.